Alright, so in these exercises, the important thing, other than solving the problem, is that your notation is clean, consistent, and correct. And you can use a different notation than what I'm going to show you, but it has to be clean, consistent, and correct. The notation that we've been using in class is to write the list, the starting list of all the items or people on one side of the river. And then you make a little line to mean there's a river. And so this configuration means that everybody is somewhere. Don't write just some people, and don't write any of the people in the process of crossing. This is after a crossing has occurred or before a crossing has occurred. And then what we'll write as an arrow to indicate the direction of the crossing. In this case, I'm going to actually do the problem correctly. If you do the problem non-optimally, you'll get a time greater than 15 minutes, and that's fine because you would still get credit for having figured out how to express yourself correctly. But in this case, person A takes 1 minute, B takes 2, C takes 5, and D takes 8. And the optimal solution results from sending first the two fast people across. And I'm going to put a little notation here too, meaning it takes 2 minutes. And so then what's going to happen is we're going to have C and D on one side and A and B on the other. Then if we send back, doesn't really matter who, A, I'm sorry, the way I'm going to draw this is I'm going to put A on the arrow and then a little 1 to indicate the time it's taking. Then you have C, D, and A on one side and B on the other side. Next transition is going to be, I'm going to send A, actually C and D are going to go over together. We're going to send the slow people over together, but it's going to take 8 minutes. And now B has been joined by friends. Now B is going to shuttle back across. It's going to take 2 minutes. And of course, then you have A, B, C, D. So resist the urge to do something like this. Just don't assume the new state is written and then just write the A going the other way. That's going to be confusing. So go ahead and write them all down after the transition and then record the new transition. Okay? And then finally you're going to have the river and then A, B, C, D. They're all happy. Okay, so let's find out how long it's going to take. It's going to take these little times 2 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. And that's going to be 15. Okay, 15 minutes. And if you had used a different non-optimal strategy, you probably would end up with 20 minutes or something like that. But you should make a note, say, there's probably a faster technique, but the thing I tried only got me down to 20 minutes, or whatever. Okay, so give me notes that tell me if you don't think your solution is right, because sometimes that's worth credit.